Hello again, lads. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, Day 14. My personal prompt today is balloons. I'm going to use what I have left here. Oh, that dog. From the Scrap Room November 2023 kits. I'm going to use this, collect this little kit up. So this is the Fancy Pants Design Enchanted Garden. And I have one piece of cardstock, which we will use. It's a Raven from Basil, and I've got, here's the sketch, and I've got 3 photos of Bee. I know I've been doing lots of Bumbles layouts, but I'm trying to get 2023 finished up, right? So let's just cut our strips. Let's cut our paper and our strips and all the fun things in life. The kids are outside playing. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and Bee, she cannot help it. The dog can't help herself. She does not like people being outside in their yards, not in her yard. Oh, okay. So let's see. So there's supposed to be 3 that take up what? So 12. So if we do 3 inches, it's 3 inches, maybe 3.5. 3.5 might work better. All right, so we're gonna go 3.5. Okay. Well, that's not gonna work. And then what if we do 3.5? I don't know if I can get 3.5 out of this one. What do you guys think? Oh, but wait, I can. Oh, I can still fussy cut that guy off if need be. So I can use those 3 unless I want to use the stark white, which I don't think I do, because I think if I need anything, I can fussy cut out of here these big pieces, which I've already done. So I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut the rest of this. I am actually going to fussy cut the leaf as well. And those can go over here. Okay, so we need these, but we don't want them to be 12. We'll make them, how big are they? No, they're pretty much almost 12, so we're going to go 11.5. Okay. And then we're going to go 11.5. That plaid that on the back of this paper, that red and black, is super gorge, but just doesn't go with it. I just don't feel like it goes with the rest of the layout or the rest of the papers. But I do only have like a sampling of the papers, so, and I do not know how I'm gonna get balloons on here, and we may not. All right, so I think that it should go like that. Now we just have to bring this in. Okay. There you go. So we have the first one. Bannered up, or not bannered up, tagged up. I'm putting them in tags. So I'm just like making them themselves. And then we just grab the next one. So you guys will notice that there are going to be days where I don't have videos up. So, you know, I got a promotion at work. My scope was widened. I have a lot more responsibilities, and I just have a lot less time. So on the weekends, sometimes I just want to decompress, right? I don't want to have to like do all the things. And, you know, I do still love my husband. So there is that. Okay, so something like that. So let's just go. Let's go for it. Let me get this put on there. Okay. See that one? Like, I think that was a beautiful plaid. I just don't see it going with this collection. Like, I know I must be weird or something. Okay. And then I know you're like, wait, you didn't punch tag holes. Don't worry, I've got a plan for that. So there we go. And so I'm going to use this one here. And let's use this one here. No. Uh-oh. Oh no. Let's use this one here. And then this big yellow one. There. I know it's not even because I ripped it, but it's fine. It's fine. Alright, so then we need to cut the photos down. And I'm actually, you guys, I'm going to throw that away. And I'm probably going to mat my photos in this, so I won't have, but I already have a whole bunch of stuff fussy cut out, so I'm okay with that. So what I'm going to do is trim the photos down to fit in here, mat them, get them stuck on, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we have got some stuff over here fussy cut. And I'm just kind of getting some stuff kind of popped around. See what we can and can't use. So I do like this guy. And yeah, I did fussy cut out some of that other stuff. So we're going to put this guy here. We're going to go ahead and pop this guy right here. I'm going to stick this floral bit. Now I don't actually have them even. I like them all at different wonks. Let's put it like that. And then we'll get this cute little pumpkin on there. So some of these are from the ephemera bits and some of them I fussy cut out. And we're going to tuck this fussy cut mushroom under and over. So these are all leaves. So I'm just going to get them scattered around. So I've got Bright as the title, and I'm going to put bee over. I'm going to put some bees on here as well. You can hear the noise in the background. It's Sam. I think he's making something to eat. Not sure what he's doing. So let's kind of tuck that little pumpkin over there. And I'm okay if I cover her up a little bit, like, because she's really just laying on the floor. So it's just being a crazy little kid. Put those in there. I've got a half green pumpkin. So I'm trying to use everything up that I can at this point. Okay. This. Oh, well. That one's stuck there. Get this one stuck right there. That is going to leave some weird trapped space, so we're going to go right there. And then we'll come in with this feather. Kind of open that up a little bit. Okay. Let's get a little cranberry for some color. Can tuck that guy up there. We got another little mushroom. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So we have all these little things stuck in here, and those other little bits and bobs. I like that little pumpkin. I would like to figure out how to use, or that big pumpkin, I should say. Figure out how to use that, but I just don't see that happening. You know what I mean? Come on. Alright, we got some on there now. Get that guy on there. Really just trying to get some adhesive on here, but it's just not wanting to work for me. There we go. Get that there. Does it make sense? Probably not. Is it okay? Yes, it is. And then this big leaf we'll use to connect those two, the big pumpkin, oh, and the big mushroom. These are not going to get used, but that's okay. What else do we have? We have these little floral bits that we do need to just tuck in. Okay, and that's used. I do have a little plus to bring this up here. We'll just tuck it right in here. We'll just put that right there. All right, that's used. These are all stuff that can be fussy cut. And then we'll just come in and pop these guys. Wow, the adhesive came off, but then that's really gonna do it, you guys. So I'm actually kind of liking the way that this turned out. Definitely not something that I would have done on my own. That's why I really like these month-long series and stuff, so that we can kind of branch out a bit, right? Then put this one, this one. I'm just kind of popping them around so we have just the blue left, which I will put up here in my little bin here of the leftover items. These guys are also going to go in a bin because we have successfully used that up. And those are pretty, so I may want to pull them into something. I do quite... This is like all leftover stuff from collections and stuff. Alright, and that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I did not get balloons in there, but it's okay. I do hope it has inspired you to try to use balloons or tags or something. But don't forget to check everyone else out and do all the fun YouTube-y things, and I'll see you guys later.